How you doing, YouTube? This is Cuba Automotive Group. Today we have a very special vehicle here. This here is a 2025 1500 Ram Rebel. This Dodge Ram is so unique in so many ways that makes this a great competition in the off-road category. From the exterior to the interior of this vehicle, to the off-road capabilities, and not to mention the nice 3.0 hellcat twin turbo engine that's underneath this hood. I'm gonna let you guys be the judge whether this 1500 Rebel can keep up with its big brothers, the RHO and the legendary TRX. The inside of the vehicle, you guys can see the interior just speaks for itself. First thing that speaks out about the interior is the red and black two-tone color, match leather. Second thing I love is this big Rebel logo here. It makes you feel more like you're in off-roading. I don't really hear people talk about the size of the back. Doors is enormous. The amount of space that's in the back. Now, as you guys can see, I fit in here perfectly. I have space ahead. The person in front of me driving has a lot of space. I'm comfortable. I'm 6'1", so for me to be able to sit back here comfortably gives the sales point for us people that's 6'5", 6'7", 6'8". Now, as we dive into this infotainment system here, you have this really big, nice screen. You have Apple CarPlay, navigation. You have comfort as far as, climbing seats. You have a heated steering wheel that you could turn on. And it's pretty much like the new vehicles nowadays that when you turn on your vehicle or remote start, it automatically set those settings in. So when you start the car from your home, your heating and your heated steering wheel and ventilation is on. By the time you get to the vehicle, you have a warm and toasty there. And of course, part of the infotainment system is this nice cluster here. Sits very well with the cockpit style of this vehicle. Have different things, different settings that you can go through. Rear view camera here, nice and clear, so if you're reversing back, you don't have to worry about any situations or problems back there as long as you can drive. You have this nice big armrest here, has a lot of space in here. The cup holders here, some cup holders in the back right here. Now, one feature that was new to me is here. When you slide this back, you have a lot more space that you could place things here, phones, tablets, everything, and it slides back and forth, so it's pretty good to have that feature in this vehicle. We continue with the interior. You have your nice door panel here, matching red and black. You have an Alpine audio system here, which features 9 speakers inside the vehicle. That's an upgrade from the 6 speakers that come in. So first thing you probably notice of this 1500 Rebel when you're looking at the exterior is this facelift. It has some nice LED lights that I love, that is secured with this black grille with black bumper, black hood scoops here, with this nice logo here that features the Hurricane 1500. Now let's dive into the wheel specs. You have some great 18-inch wheels here, 18 by 8, covered with a nice 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires, all terrain. Now what you have supporting your off-road system is a nice Bilstein suspension system. Stopping power is a nice Mopar parts, and a lot more other things that makes this vehicle compatible with all the other vehicles when it comes to off-roading. You have this nice Rebel matte decal here that just stands out on the road. It's very aggressive. It matches the vehicle very well. Now coming to the back of the vehicle, that matching trim with the dark gray looks very good. Have your nice Rebel logo here with a nice 4x4 logo. Is the trunk. Now with the trunk area, you have a lot of space back there. I don't really haul a lot of things. If I was to give my opinion, I would say that you could fit a nice ATV back here. Maybe I'm wrong, if you guys can correct me in the comments. As you can see, your nice exterior tail lights here. It matches the vehicle, very simple. You have a nice LED system front to the back. And you have some very great buff size black tail pipes. Sounds great. Before we do the drive of this vehicle, one thing I want to show you guys is under the hood. Now, what do that engine provides? That engine provides 420 horsepower, 469 pounds of torque, and a nice 8-speed automatic transmission that keeps this vehicle just on the road and flows smoothly through traffic. Now, as we dive into the drive of this vehicle, I just want to remind you, subscribe, like, comment, share. It gives me motivation to keep bringing these videos on, bringing you guys new videos. Now, as we looked at the engine specs, we looked at the exterior of the vehicle, we looked at the interior, nice two-tone red and black interior. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the driving portion of this vehicle. Try to hurry up and get this done before it gets dark out here. So, thanks you guys for sticking with me. Is the handling. It handles pretty well around corners and when you need to maneuver the vehicle in pretty exciting situations. It does a great job. We're gonna open her up a little bit on this open road. Like I was saying, guys, it doesn't. As you guys can already see, this vehicle has a lot of performance capabilities.